Hello there, I just got done reading Carrie's Courage, Battling the Powers of Bigotry, 1923. This is a young reader's book. It is for ages 8 to 12 years old. I picked this up at a free little library. It looked interesting enough to me. It's set back into the 1920s, and it's about some young children and their experiences with bigotry that they experienced at the time. I thought it was a pretty good little story. It is peppered throughout with a lot of religion and leans heavily on the Christianity side, but I still feel like the story, aside from the peppering of religion throughout, I thought it was a pretty good story about bigotry and how it affects the story or the lives of the kids in the story. So would I recommend this for a young reader from ages 8 to 12? Yeah, I would. Especially if that reader is a fan of stories that pepper religion into them, then I would say that definitely this would be one that would be enjoyed. If you're not into books that have that religious peppering throughout, or you know, then I would say you probably will be able to find other books that are in the same spirit of this one as far as fighting bigotry that don't incorporate those other items. But yeah, it was a very quick read. It's 141 pages, so super duper fast. It didn't take long at all. I'll look and see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've ever seen this book, read this book, heard of this book, let me know your thoughts and opinions on it. Do you think that it's a good one for ages 8 to 12? I think it actually is a good read for those age groups. Not a lot of complicated words or concepts in this, but also it's not childlike either. It's for that age group, I would say. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this book review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.